Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make AI edit. We'll dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its application in refining various forms of content. AI editing leverages advanced algorithms to analyze text, images, or audio, identifying areas for enhancement. This process can significantly boost productivity, ensuring a consistent quality across numerous projects. Imagine saving hours on repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on creative aspects. It's about smart tools working for you. To begin, the foundation of effective AI editing lies in data preparation. Your input data, whether text or media, needs to be clean and organized for the AI to learn effectively. Next, choosing the right AI-powered software is crucial. Consider its capabilities and how well it integrates with your workflow. Finally, you must clearly articulate your editing objectives, providing the AI with precise instructions. This setup ensures the AI understands your vision, leading to more accurate and desirable outcomes. Once set up, the next step involves training and customization. Feed your AI editor thousands of examples that reflect the type of content it will be editing. This extensive exposure helps it learn nuances and patterns. Then, fine-tune the model by providing specific examples of your desired style, tone, and common corrections. This iterative process allows the AI to adapt and improve, achieving a higher degree of accuracy and aligning closely with your unique requirements. Regular adjustments are key to sustained high performance. For best results, always remember that human oversight remains invaluable. Reviewing AI-generated edits ensures accuracy and maintains the human touch, especially for nuanced content. The most powerful approach combines the efficiency of AI with the critical judgment of a human editor. Looking ahead, the field of AI editing is rapidly evolving, with new tools and techniques emerging constantly. Staying informed about these advancements will unlock even greater possibilities for refining your content with unprecedented speed and precision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.